Welcome to our superior one-bedroom suite. As you enter, you are in an open plan, living room and kitchen area. A fully equipped kitchen for everything you need to prepare your breakfast or any meal. Imagine you are lying in the sofa, relaxing and enjoying a peaceful moment. And now, take a deep breath to see what lies before my eyes. This stunning view, just breathtaking. Imagine you are here now. Spacious wardrobe to organize your things. Modern bathroom. Here is a bedroom with a king-size bed. Our priority is the quality of our mattresses for a great sleep experience. Picture yourself gazing at this endless blue. Let the gentle breeze touch you in this serenity.